Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create another page on Google Sites. So first and foremost, you have to open your Google Sites or log in and then select from any of the template right here. For example, this one, I will be creating a site for my blog. So let's just say this one is C's blog. So this is the first page where they can see the welcome and other stops here elements. Now, in order for you to create or add again another page on Google Sites, what you're going to do here is you have to go to Pages. And on the pages here, you can just basically look for the plus button. So tap on page and then click the plus icon, select a new page right here. Let's just say for the second page or for the added page, it's about us. So basically you can add here about your blog. So for example, I'm going to add or insert a text right here where my client or people can see about my blog. So this is what it looks like. So this is the first page and that's how you add page here on Google site. Now, if you want to add again another page, let's just say if you want to add like gallery, something like that. So you just have to do the same thing. Okay, so tap on the page, click on the plus icon or button, and then here you can add, for example, gallery. And same thing, you have to go to insert if you want to insert some images here. You can upload or select from their gallery or search from Google. But if you are posting something original, so you just have to simply go to upload and upload from your drive or from your computer. As easy as that. Anyways, each page you can add sub pages. All you have to do is to click this three dots and you can add sub page. And that's how easy it is to create another page on Google site. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.